Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to extend your battery life on REALME 14T. Let's begin! First and foremost, we have to go to the settings, and I'm not going to bother you with some very simple things like, go to the battery and just enable power saving mode. Wow, who could have guessed, right? Instead, I'm going to show you some actually useful tips and tricks that makes your battery last longer. The very first one is to finding the display and brightness setting right here and making sure of a few things. The first one is the auto brightness, and the second one is just lowering down your brightness. I can't really do that because, as you can see, the quality of the video itself will be worse, but most of the time you don't really need the more brightness option, unless you're wasting your time and going outside or something like that. Then you might actually see have trouble seeing with low brightness. But when you're using your phone indoors, it's best to keep your brightness low and to disable auto brightness so your brightness will stay low. The other thing is going to the dark mode, because most of the screens are now OLED screens, meaning that they waste power by just showing you light pixels. And obviously, if there is less white pixels, then there is less battery usage. Lastly, we can scroll down and go to auto screen off. As you can see, currently it is set to 13 seconds, which is a very good setting, but most of people have set it up to, for example, 5 or even 10 minutes, which is just unnecessary, to be honest. Leaving your phone on and wasting your battery because it takes like 10 minutes to just turn itself off is a huge understatement, because it just wastes a lot of your battery. So I would also advise you to just switch to something shorter, like for example 2 minutes or 1 minute, in order to still don't have this feeling that your phone randomly turns off whenever you're using it, because this is also pretty annoying. I think we all can agree on that. However, if we set it up to the lower times, then your battery won't get as much use because the screen won't be showing as often. The other thing about our screen is our wallpaper itself. This wallpaper, to be honest, is pretty acceptable. Like, it's not very highly detailed, it doesn't have millions of different colors. However, many people do have certain certain wallpapers that are like that. In order to change those, we have to go back to the settings and find wallpaper and style. Here we can go to wallpapers, and as you can see, for example, something like this. This is something that's just wasting a lot of your battery, because here is a ton of details, which is cool, but also your screen will struggle showing all of that, meaning it will just need to take more power in order to show you this very specific wallpaper. So I would advise you to switch to something more simple. For example, like these wallpapers are pretty cool, or we can just go to more wallpapers and search for something very simple. For example, this little cat here is really cool, because as I said before, most OLED screens actually have trouble. What is that? The theme store. Oh no, do we have to... Oh, that's unfortunate. I don't have a REALME account, but if you do have a REALME account, then I would advise you to just download some cool wallpapers, or just go to the web itself and search for black wallpapers, whatever, on the web. Because as I was saying before, the OLED screens need more power in order to show you white pixels. So if you set your wallpaper to not only some very simple color, but also a darker color, your battery will just last longer naturally because of that. Yes, sure, whatever, except all. Now we can just go here, search for something cool, and then our wallpaper will be set. And if you're wondering how can you set your wallpaper, I will now create some random photo, just like that. it's almost dark, you know. But then you want to just go here, click those three dots in the bottom right corner and go to set as wallpaper. Anyway, leaving the whole display, we have the Wi-Fi and mobile data. Mobile data is also well known for wasting a lot of your battery, and it's important to note that you don't really have to, well, I can't really showcase you this because I don't have SIM card inserted into my REALME, but it's not just worth it to have it enabled all the time, because it just wastes a lot of your power, which is a shame because, you know, you are here watching this video because you want to extend your battery. So I would advise you that if you don't need Wi-Fi connection, you can just turn it off, or if we go to the settings, let's go to the more settings, I believe there should be option to automatically connect to the certain, yeah, here it is, auto connect. I would advise you to just go here and go to go to auto connect and enable this option, so your phone will automatically switch from using mobile data to your Wi-Fi whenever the Wi-Fi network is available and pretty close. So yeah, it's a pretty cool feature. And if you want to save even more your battery, you could just expand your control center and enable airplane mode, because this way it basically cuts all of your connections, meaning that these connections won't really waste your battery, because, you know, there's no connections that are enabled that will waste your battery, which is also pretty cool. Lastly, I want to show you that you can go to the settings and find, oh yeah, in the settings we can also turn off always on display, which is right here, because always on display also tends to waste a lot of your battery, and AOD as a feature is pretty useless, at least for me overall. So I would advise you to switch it off, because it also tends to waste your battery, because, you know, you have your screen on even though you're not even using your phone. That's just stupid, right? Anyway, let's go back to the settings themselves. Let's find security and privacy. Let's scroll down. Let's go to privacy controls and go to permission manager. In the permission manager, we have the list of all our permissions and which applications are just using our permissions. For example, well, not many, but some certain permissions tend to use a lot more of your power than the others. The most visible one are just the microphone access, location access, and camera access. This three is like the golden three that just tends to waste a lot of your battery, because, you know, microphone, if you have application that is listening all the time, which you shouldn't have, if you have applications that is listening to you all the time, then something is wrong. But if you do, then your microphone is just always on, meaning that it always drains battery. The same goes with the camera, which is no, which is right here. We can also check if something has access to it all the time. Luckily we don't have anything like that. And lastly, the location itself, and the Google has access to it all the time. If you are not trusting Google, which is understandable, to be honest, you could go click into the Google and basically switch to allow only while using the app, but keep in mind that this will show you a warning that some functions that are Google related might not work once you take the access to your location, which is also understandable, because, you know, there's many like Google Maps or Find My Device or whatever that will just stop working if you turn off your location. But you don't really have to do this in the permission manager. You could just expand your control center and you want to just disable your location. As you can see, our device will warn us that, hey, your location access cannot be accessed because you've turned off your location. I would advise you to just ignore that. Only if you're using like applications that are testing your location. So, you know, you're going hiking and you probably have in back of your mind that something might happen to you. So it's important to keep that location on, so, you know, just in case someone might find you via the location of your phone. However, for the most people, you could just disable the location entirely, and your phone will not send any data related to your location, nor it will check your location, meaning that it won't waste the battery doing that. And whenever you open like Google Maps anyway, the location will be turned off anyway, so it doesn't really cost you anything, and it's just an easy thing to turn off in order to extend your battery life. And lastly, I want to show you that probably the easiest way for you to just save more battery is just go to the battery settings and just go to battery usage, which is right here. We can also click it and basically check how much we've used our battery in certain times and what applications were we using. Currently I don't have other applications. I might randomly open, let's say, the Facebook, for example, for a moment. And if you're using your phone normally, because I'm just recording videos on it and I've recently made a hard reset, so we don't have any history of applications, but in the battery usage setting we should have the list of all applications that were used on our phone and how much percentage of our battery did they use. So for example, if you are a mobile gamer, and you're playing a lot of games on your phone, then it's obvious that they will be on this list, and they will be probably high up because they are wasting your battery because you use them. However, certain applications like Facebook, for example, waste your battery even if you're not using them. Right now it's not happening because I am not logged in, but if you are, then your Facebook will automatically take some data from your phone and from the web and update it all the time, refresh the content, do all these stupid things in the background, which not only slow your system down but also just waste your battery. So I would advise you that maybe it's now visible in the settings, though I doubtful. Let's try that. No, there's still no applications. I probably used it too little, but as you can see, here's the moment where we should see the list. We don't have the list right now, but if you would find, for example, that Facebook is wasting, 5% of our battery, then it's best to just go to the applications, go to app management, find the applications that are wasting our battery. I will go here because this is some random crap that is already installed on the REALME, and just disable the application completely, or go to the battery usage and disable the allow background activity option, or press right here the force stop, or just go and uninstall the application completely, especially if it's something you're not even using. And yeah, as I said before, the last thing you just want to make sure, and it's probably the best tip you can use, is just to check from time to time how much power your certain applications are using. And you will know that, I'm spending 5 hours on TikTok every day. Maybe that's why my battery is so bad. Yeah, that's probably why. But anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.